Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now today I have large scale. This is 1/20. There is no mention of what car is this, although it says here initial D in, I don't know, Japanese. Now initial D is the Japanese anime cartoon of this figure driving this car, doing illegal street racing on the mountains and drifting. This is 1/20. Let me just show you how big is it. This is typical majorette Hot Wheels car, and this is the size, so it's very big. So let's take it out from the box. The brand is Mini Auto. Okay, you have the car. Now, what else do they have? You get a cardboard figure, which we'll leave it there. And then there is this screwdriver. And you get these accessories. Now let me explain a bit. The movie or the cartoon, initial D, with the Japanese wording on the door. It's a tofu shop. Okay, these are tofu, and the main character in the movie delivers tofu using this car. So this is the car. There is no license and no mention of the car, except yes, it's a Toyota. Can you see it? Toyota Trueno. Apex twin cam. So this is the Toyota AE86, the original one. They say it's the best car for drifting because the weight distribution is at the center. 50% here, 50% here. Now why 50% at the back? The engine is very heavy in front. People sit in the middle, slightly towards the back. So how come 50% at the back? What do we have at the back? Well, it's rear-wheel drive, so the shaft and everything and the petrol tank is at the back here, so that gives it 50-50 distribution. And it's a 1.6. It's a small car, it's a light car. Now about this model, yes, you see the flaw, the line doesn't match. Okay, doesn't match. The other side, it's a bit okay. Now there are two versions. They also have another version with black hood. I choose the white hood. And of course we have engine details, including the bar. Now you can open this and put battery, and various sound and lights will turn on, but I'm not going to do that. Now to make the headlights pop up, you have to press the suspension like this. Okay, again, press And if you put the batteries, the lights would shine. You have steering. Now I like the steering is it is spring loaded, so it moves back into straight position when you release. And even though this is a large scale 120, it is a pullback. See? The side mirrors can be folded manually. Both sides. Right hand drive. You can see the interior. The steering wheel, the pedals, gear lever, handbrake, everything is detailed. Of course, this is a two-door hatchback and there is not much room at the back. The boot can be opened. Now what I like is the door frame open as well, not just half the door. Then at the boot you have the cover which you have to lift. Yes, and inside you can put your tofu. And deliver. And it has suspension. Right. Remove the tofu. Okay, this is the tofu. It's just a piece of plastic with a white square dotted pin. Tofu. Who likes to eat tofu? Now I bought this at 85 ringgit or around 17 euro. So it's value for money considering the size and the opening features. So I hope you like this review of this large scale Toyota AE86 from Initial D. Google Initial D and you will get to see the cartoon or the feature film featuring this car. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.